is up, gamers? It is I, your boy, back at it again with another lit video. And today we're playing some Kirby Star Allies. And we've actually made it to the second world now. But before we go to the second world, I have something very special that I need to do. You see, gamers, there is someone very special that I want to bring onto this episode today. You may be wondering, who is that person? Well, that person is me.
It's the one and only Eagle Double.
Hey, there he is. It's your boy. Look how excited he is, man. Bruh, get ready, KDDD. We are going on some adventures today. Now, you see, gamers, when you're playing Kirby Star Allies, there's only one way to play. This is wrong, but this is right. Haha, peasants, get out of my way, for your boy has came to ruin your day. But write that on a t-shirt, bro. Alright, so I think this is a flying town. Oh, no. Looks like a Macy's Day balloon, bro. Wait a second, can I just... Wow, that actually worked. Alright, so now seeing that that is actually a strategy you can do, I am just gonna fast forward real quick, so excuse me for a moment.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go. Calling you, and the search is a mystery. Standing on my feet, so hard when I try to be me. Whoa, deja vu.
Oh. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, the friend circle. Oh. Okay. Oh, well, move out of the way.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch.
Okay, look. Those other 2 times or 3 times or how many times I've done this? Oh, right. So, oh no. Oh, that reeks of noobness. That's bad. But this is good.
Deja vu, I just been in this place before. Higher on the street, and I know it's my time to go.
What? These people are making me go into the water. Oh, fine, I guess. Oh. Alright, we're back. So, your boy is gonna show you Loot Boss. Alright, we're back on land where I belong. Or should I say, the sky.
Deja vu.
What is this? You're telling me that I need friends? I needed that guy, didn't I? No. 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 Why are we separated? Alright, I gotta open the door for your boy. Yes. Wait a second. Is it year time? It's year time. Yeah. 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 Wait, hang on. Hang on. Don't run out, please. Yeah, boy. Yeah. What the? Chef Kawasaki coming here to kill us? Bruh, I'll have you know that the chef got nothing on DDD. Get over here. Yeah, get him, DDD. Yeah, get him. Yeah, that's right. Now I'm the chef now.
Bruh.
You know what? I already know what's gonna happen, so why even try? Just, you know what? Fine. Alright, just listen. You already know the drill. Okay, door. Let me ride. You know what? Fuck it. Alright. Ride time. Ah! Oh, bonkers. Bro, this guy's copying my hammer. What do you think you're doing, Mr. Bonkers? Yeah, that's right. Get him, DDD. I will get him from afar. Alright. Ooh. Double hammer. Let's go. Alright. Switch 1. Switch 2. Switch 3. Switch 4. Switch 5. Switch 5. Bada bing pop. Alright, so Keyman, we will need you. Oh. Well, I guess that works too. Do we got another friend circle on our hands right now? What the? Friend bridge, huh? Oh, this guy's got to get across. I see. Very hard puzzle solving right now. Alright. I got this. Yes! Oh, suck it, losers! I have done it! Look at that! See ya!